See, freelancing. Always, I have said you, whenever you are reading anything, try to understand the concept. Okay. So here we will be seeing freelancing as a career option in advertising. That we have seen what are the skills that are required to make a career in advertising. Okay. That means you should be you should be having conceptual skill. You should be having communication skill. You should be having administrative skill. You should be having human skill, stress resilience, time management. So all these are some basic skills that you will be having, okay, or that you should have for make a career in advertising. Apart from those skills, there is one more thing through which you can make career in advertising. That is freelancing. Okay. So freelancing means, my dear students, freelancing is commonly done by a person. It is a self-employed job. That means ki if you are knowing something, any art, any creativity, any work, if you are good in any of the field, so you can go for freelancing. Okay. Free means, that means you're free to work. You don't have any time bounding. You don't have to work under any employer. You are free to work wherever you wish. According to your wish, you will be able to work in any of the company, in association to any of the institution, anything. So freelance works are something that represent by a company for a temporary agencies. These jobs are temporary, not permanent. But yes, for example, you are good in drawing or cartooning. So now you are studying, so you cannot be able to give more time, or you may not be able to spare much time with the companies, or you cannot associate with the companies for a longer period. Okay, so what you can do is, here you can go for freelancing. That means you will be having the work on contractual basis, and then you will be giving your art or design, whatever you are having, that work you will be giving to the people for a particular time. After that, you will be focusing on your profession, what you are doing it. Okay, so it is totally a independent job by an individual. Okay, that means for a period of 3 months, for a period of 6 months, for a period of year, that it is totally depending upon you who is providing the work. Okay, fields, professionals and industries were freelancing in predominant. So what will be here, including music, writing, acting, computer gaming, web designing, graphic designing, translating, and illustrating, film, video, anything. So these are the type of jobs for which you can go for freelancing. As I said, you, if you are good in cartooning, if you're good in dialogue writing, if you're good in making some art, some students are good in voice modeling, isn't it? So any of such things, any of such creativity is with you, you can go for freelancing. You can tie up yourself, you can associate yourself with any of the good company or institute, and after that you can give your services to them. Okay, it is purely on contractual basis. None of the company will be giving you a permanent job, but yes, for short time you can earn a good amount of money. This is what is a freelancing. So you're free to work with any of the company. See what happens when we take up a job. So there we sign the contract that we will not be doing any other job, or we will not be connecting to any of the company apart from that which we have signed. Isn't it? हमारे पास एक टाइमिंग होता है, so एक पर्टिकुलर टाइमिंग में, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू से दैट आई एम वर्किंग फॉर 10 to 6, 10 to 6 मींस 10 to 6 में आपको उसी पर्टिकुलर कंपनी में काम करना है. In between you cannot switch to anyone, isn't it? So वो आपके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स में होता है. So here in freelancing ये सब चीजें नहीं relevant रखती है. You can work with more than one companies. It's up to you how capable you are, how much time you're having that you can spend with the various agencies. Okay. Now, what are the opportunities that a freelancer or freelancing will be having? First opportunity that freelancing sector gives us: discover your area and proficiency. What it will give us? It will give us discover your area and proficiency. That means from way of freelancing, we will be able to know what is the area of interest, where I am expert. See, basic thing I'm saying, especially for girls, there are majority of girls who are experts in mehendi, beautician, isn't it? But the parents or the people living around, they may not be allowing them to go for a job, isn't it? कि नहीं भेजना है, नहीं करना है, but they are good. So these students, these such type of girls can go for freelancing. That will develop your area of interest. Okay. Before making a start at freelancing, identify your area of interest. What you will have to do, you will have to identify your area of interest. What exactly I know, what exactly I want to do. Okay. What is my interest? Many are capable in penning down. You can consider being a freelancer in copywriting. That means, as I said you, people may be good in writing, dialogue, script, story. Some may be good in photographs. Some may be good in making cartoons. Some may be good in animations. Okay. So these type of people, these type of individuals can go for freelancing. Some may be good in research work. किसी को रिसर्च करना अच्छा लगता है. It's not that कि only science background वाले या arts background वाले ही कर सकते. No. Any people. But you will have to find your area of interest. Second, approach to the right people. क्या करना है आपको? You will be approaching to the right people. अगर मुझे कार्टूनिंग आता है तो मैं किसको जाकर बताऊं? मेरे घर पे बताऊंगी या मेरे घर पे बताऊंगा तो हंसेंगे, कार्टून बना रहा है, isn't it? अगर मुझे मेहंदी अच्छे से आती है तो मैं किसको जाके अप्रोच करूं? मेरे घर में बताऊंगी तो बोलेंगे ये कोई काम है. So my dear kids, you will have to know who is the correct people to whom I should go and approach. Okay. So कैसे मिलेंगे ये? The area of interest which you are having, same line you will have to choose. ये नहीं कि मुझे मेहंदी आ रहा है और मैं डॉक्टर के पास जाके बोल रही डॉक्टर मुझे मेहंदी आता है ना? So this is not the correct way. You should find a people to whom you are going to go and approach. Right people, right source. Okay. It is only through networking that you can get freelancing opportunities. सबसे best tool आज के time पे है your social networkings. So through networking, through your word of mouth, through your publicity, you can go for freelancing. Okay. Nowadays, you might be seeing that many of the people, they are keeping their DPs with their some selling of clothes, some are selling some accessories, some are selling some utensils, some are selling some appliances. है ना? So people are doing this as a part-time job, as a part-time work. This is what is also a freelancing. So even your area of interest, see your cartoons, draw your cartoons, keep as your DP or keep on your Facebook page, Instagram. I know you people are there in all the social media sites. So make use of it. Write some dialogues, write some jokes, and spread like this. So this will help you to develop yourself. See, there are many people, for example, that lady who was a beggar now, she is a singer now. कौन है वो? I don't know the name. I just forgot the name. So why she was so famous? Because of these networkings, because of publicize. Next is, as I said, you use social media. See, my dear students, nowadays the best tool for advertisement, the best tool of promotion is your social media sites, isn't it? Put now and then something and other thing on your social media sites so that people may be knowing you. People may be aware what you are doing and what you are not. I'm not saying that any rubbish thing you should post, but yes, the relevant things which you think that it should reach to the people. Okay, or a right person should see and come to you. So use any of the social media sites. There are ample of sites nowadays. Every business sites or every business apps, even they are providing you to give the business, isn't it? Everything is now been online. For example, Amazon. So if you are good in craft work, approach to Amazon. Amazon is the right one. Show or give your talent to the Amazon. They will sell the product. So sitting at home, you can even do this. Okay. Set up a good account. See, when you are going to use your social media sites as your business accounts, or as your professional accounts, so there you should not be do any rubbish things. Okay, पर्सनल थिंग्स को वहां पर क्या करना है आपको फिर थोड़ा सा अवॉइड करना है. Go professional way. Select some good photos, select some good images, and do in a professional way. Okay. Yes. Thank you, students. It is Mandal. Renu Mandal. Yes. She, so just because of social media site, she's been so popular. And there are many, not only she, there are many. So social media site will help you to promote yourself without spending any additional advertisement expense. Because each one of you having this account, for that you have paid already, isn't it? हमने पे किया है ना. अब बोलोगे मैम हमने कब पे किया, हमने तो फ्री में ऐप डाउनलोड किया था. Yes, it is correct that you have downloaded free, but for the data which you are using, for the Wi-Fi connection which we are using, we are paying for that. So the amount which we are paying to them, to the data people, that amount will be shared to these social media sites as well. Next is emailing. What you can do, you can mail to the people. Get some websites from your social media sites or from newspapers, okay, from some hoarding somewhere. Get some email IDs, okay. Then give your work, give your art by adding some good taglines and headlines. ऐसे नहीं कि एक पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया और ईमेल कर दिया. एक एड एजेंसी को आपने मेल कर दिया कार्टून बनाने के लिए. एड एजेंसी के पास कितने मेल आते हैं ऐसे. So clearly you should write your name, your identification first, then give some good tagline. For example, when we are seeing videos in YouTube, okay, so what get attracts to us, headings na. So that by looking at that heading we see the video. Reduce your weight in 2 days, है ना. फिर people को blink होएगा, अरे 2 दिन में कैसे reduce करेंगे. So then they will see the video. So give some good taglines, give some headlines, so that by reading at the headline and tagline, people may be attracted and they will see your videos or they will see your work, your art, which you have been uploaded. Okay, that is important. Second, if you don't know whom to speak, if you don't know whom to say, another important thing, search online. है ना, गूगल गुरु है हमारे पास. Go and search the people online. Instead wasting your time by looking at that stupid videos on YouTube, search the way for your creativity. So see that if any websites I can get it, if any contact from any of the agencies I can get it, go and search in this manner. And then approach to them, give them a mail. See, एक मेल भेजा रिप्लाई नहीं आया, 2 मेल भेजा रिप्लाई नहीं आया, then you will be seeing कि ठीक है अब नहीं भेजने का. No, as I said you, for a particular agency there may be thousands of people sending a mail in one day. We are not the one. So there will be so many people who will be sending the mails. So what we will be doing it, repeat again and again, send the mail. People will reply you. Have patience. Then price your services. जब हम इतना काम कर रहे हैं तो फ्री में थोड़ी ना करेंगे, फ्रीलांसिंग है, फ्री सर्विस नहीं है. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be charging our services, whatever services we are providing. But yes, first thing that you will have to keep in mind, you are new in the market, so you will have to charge less comparing to the other established one, comparing to the other services. You will have to charge less. And then when you have covered the market, when you have captured the market, when you have gained the publicity, after that you can slightly rate your charges, or slightly you can charge high. But initially, always you should charge high to grab the opportunity to get the business. Okay, to get the business, you will have to charge less. So इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? You will have to do the research. What type of job I am doing? In the same manner, is it available in the market? Who are the people that they are providing such similar jobs? What are the rates they are charging? Okay, how long they are existing in the market? What are their goodwill? So by researching these things, then you will be charging your price. If you are new and you're comparatively you're charging high with the existing one, no one is going to entertain you. No one means no one. So if you want the business, if you want that your freelancing should reach to the people, so simultaneously, sometimes you will have to go for free work also. Sometimes it's not that always you should do everything freely. Sometimes to get some good opportunity, you will have to give free services. But once you have been selected by someone, or once you have started with your job and pick up your grip, then you can charge slightly high. Okay, but yes, always think long term while pricing your services. What you should see, that the rate I'm charging, that should give me a long run business. People should again and again approach me just because of my service, just because of my creativity, and just because of my price. So this is what, my dear students, is freelancing. In short, you're free to work with any of the organization, okay, at your given specific terms, at your given specific times and rate. So these are some points that you will have to always keep in mind. And then only you should also go for freelancing. So if you're having any of the art, try to explore your art. Okay, try to find your area of interest and then start your own business, your small internships like this, and move ahead.